I'm Thoko Vilakazi. I am the Director ECD in the KZN province. The focus of the workshop was on learning through play. Funda Udlale Nathi. So the engagement and the activities were based on the intentional play that need to be employed, that children need to be taken through when they are being taught. The activities were so much interesting, and the activities included, catered for the learners with special needs as well. And I think what other important thing is that subject advisors were taken through this digital, they were exposed to the digital learning, which those are the courses that VVOB is introducing, and VVOB offers to practitioners, to teachers of grade R, so that they are able to learn how to teach using this approach of learning through play. So that was the highlight, because teachers are now going to be able to access on their own. They don't have to wait for somebody else. They will access on their own, and even the subject advisors, they will access materials and activities that will guide them on how to implement this approach. This workshop, which ran over 2.5 days, was to take ECD subject advisors through the program that is called Funda Udlale Nathi, FUN. That is the acronym. It is a program, it is an approach where you teach children through play, where children learn through play. So mainly it was to address emergent reading, emergent literacy, using the FUN approach, learning through play. We also included discussions around the professional learning communities, as well as the robotics, because it is important that even those children in ECD, in the ECD space, are exposed to robotics at that earlier stage in life, because we know that with the